Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Kyber Network, a decentralized liquidity protocol that is revolutionizing the way token swaps and decentralized finance, DeFi, applications operate. Kyber Network offers a seamless, permissionless, and highly efficient platform where users can swap tokens or provide liquidity for DeFi projects. In this tutorial, I will take you through the main features and functionalities of Kyber Network. Kyber Network is designed to aggregate liquidity from various sources, ensuring that DeFi users always get the best rates for their token swaps. Its robust architecture supports integrations with decentralized exchanges, wallets, and other DeFi applications, making it a pivotal component of the blockchain ecosystem. Through its innovative technology, Kyber enables projects to access liquidity without intermediaries, reducing costs and enhancing user experience. To start using Kyber Network, visit their official platform and connect your wallet. The platform supports popular wallets like MetaMask and Wallet Connect, ensuring accessibility for all users. Once connected, you can easily swap tokens by selecting the desired tokens and confirming the transaction. Kyber guarantees competitive rates by sourcing liquidity from multiple providers. For those looking to earn passive income, Kyber also allows users to provide liquidity. By depositing tokens into liquidity pools, you can earn rewards while contributing to the network's efficiency. Kyber's transparent fee structure and real-time analytics make it simple for liquidity providers to monitor their earnings and optimize their investments. Before we dive further into the tutorial, here's an exclusive opportunity. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Now, let's move on to how Kyber Network's advanced features, like dynamic market making and automated rebalancing, set it apart from traditional platforms. These features ensure that the platform remains efficient and competitive, even in volatile market conditions. Developers can integrate Kyber's APIs into their applications to unlock seamless token swaps and liquidity provision for their users. Kyber Network also supports multiple blockchain networks, including Ethereum and Polygon, allowing users to interact with the protocol across various ecosystems. This cross-chain functionality expands its usability and ensures that liquidity is accessible wherever it's needed most. Finally, Kyber DAO allows community members to participate in governance by staking KNC tokens. This empowers users to influence key decisions, such as protocol upgrades and fee structures, ensuring a truly decentralized ecosystem. Sign up through the link in the description to get started and enjoy the bonus for new users. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more insightful crypto tutorials and updates.